I'm gonna show you my before. All right, so I'm doing upgrades right now. I'm cleaning up too. All right, so I'm reorganizing my whole desk around here. So I'm starting fresh from here. We're gonna set up the center one first. I want to make sure that that one stays above, a little bit above, and above everything else. And then I'm gonna match the other ones. So I always start with the middle one first and set the tone out for both of them. And if you need to extend them, this is what you're gonna do. Now the best thing is to grab your monitors and add these to the monitors right now while they're off. I'm going to show you the back of it first. All right, so I had to bring it all the way to the bottom here. How to use the extended arm. Look at this, but it wraps around the entire thing. And I got an assistant down there. This is the front, right? It's a huge setup, but I need the desk. I need the space. So this is pretty much because I do reviews. I am going to review here. Have a camera over me, microphone on the right. Pretty much this is my setup that I'm going to have, all right? So, mission 1 complete. All right, I'm going to try to fit my monitors in here where you guys can see them. So these are the final systems I set up, all right? So this is under curve monitor. There's a flat monitor and there's another curve. The only reason I got these two curves is because I do have simulation driving that I do. And of course, it just looks wonderful on top of my desk. Of course, this is not only my desk, it's also my cat's desk too. So we like to chill here and watch TV and watch other things. But the reason I got it is because it's above her. She lays down flat and I'm able to see everything around. I'm able to actually change things from desktop to desktop. I'm able to work on anything I am working with, you know, pretty much drag and drop to any window I want, pretty much. And I leveled it. If you guys can see, I did level it. Little minus gaps. I still have to adjust it just a little bit, but the system is hanging. I don't have enough more of the last time I had the other two. Now I only have one bar that I have to worry about. Plenty of space in here. Nice, beautiful, clean cut. Now, I still do have to do cable management, but for right now, we just got it up and running, and it's been working very well. So, if you guys are looking for monitoring hands, very simple to install. If you have, these are 32. That's how she's pushing the button. 32-inch. You do have to have the extra extension, so to make it possible, but looks very well, so very good. Hope you guys enjoy this video.